If your battery life started draining fast after updating to iOS 26, there are several settings you need to change to fix it. First, settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option General. Then tap on Background App Refresh and turn it completely off, since this allows app to run in background and drain battery even if when you are not using them. Next, go back to the main settings page and open display and brightness. Then turn off always on display if your iPhone supports it, because keeping the screen active for notifications and wallpapers uses a lot of power. After that, check location services by going to privacy and security and tapping location services. Scroll to the list and change any app set to always to while using the app or never, and then scroll down to system services. Turn off significant locations, which constantly tracks places you visit and heavily impacts battery life. Another major battery drain is email syncing. So go to Mail, tap Accounts, then Fetch New Data, turn off Push, and set fetching to manual so your phone is not instantly checking for new emails in the background. Next, reduce screen brightness under Display and Brightness, since lower brightness directly improves battery life. Then go back to battery settings to review which apps are using the most power, especially ones running in the background, and choose or limit those apps if needed. You can also enable low power mode, which reduces background activity, limits certain features like 5G and syncing, and significantly extends battery life. Finally, consider turning on adaptive power and setting a charge limit like 90% or 85% to help preserve long-term battery health. With these settings, your battery life will be improved and stop excessive drain on iOS 26. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.